School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, my first message this week is to congratulate and thank all of our students right across the school who give up part of their recess and lunchtime and walk around with each other with buckets and tongs, picking up those items that litter that belong to the school. The school looks absolutely fantastic because of your work. And it's also marvellous to speak to children when they come in to talk to me about what they've been doing. So a big thank you, everyone, and keep up the great job. Well, my next message is yesterday, as you know, we celebrated Are You OK Day. Absolutely fantastic to be able to wear a splash of yellow, and great to see all the students and staff who supported that activity. And as you know, Are You OK Day is that one opportunity that we check in on our friends and family and the people around us, and we ask that question, are you okay? But maybe we shouldn't just leave it one day a year. Maybe we should check in on our friends and family and people around us on a regular basis, just simply by asking them, are you okay? And having a chat. Today and next week, we welcome kinder visits. Now, we haven't been able to invite students, the children at the local kinders into the school for a look around the school. Yeah, absolutely wonderful to be able to invite them on site. As you know, we haven't been able to do that for well over 2 years, but I'm looking forward to meeting all our new prep students who will be with us next year. Well, next week, our last week of term 3. Amazing how that's flown. But we've got a very, very busy week, an action jam-packed week. Some of the activities that we've got our students in Year 3 heading off to the Briars Camp, and I'm looking forward to dropping in for a visit to hear about adventures and I'll see all the fun things children are doing. We've got 2 bike rides. Our children who participate in the Bike Ed program will be going on community bike rides, and again, a lot of fun. Last day, we not only finish at 2:30, a little bit earlier, but we have a footy dress-up day. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to wearing my Richmond clothing, my items, on the day. And of course, well, 2 nights of school next week. We've got the Year 2 sleepover. And again, I'll be participating in that, and I'll be looking forward to having lots of fun with our students and staff. And of course, sleeping over at school, which we never ever get to do. And finally, please remember to read every single day, even on weekends. Okay, find something you like reading. It could be a book, a magazine, a comic. It could be junk mail. But spend that time developing that lifelong love of reading. All right, thanks everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I look forward to seeing you around the school. Take care and stay safe.
Who is your favourite Marvel character? Loki. Yes.
When you were at primary school, what was your favourite subject?
I had two. It was art and literacy.
Did you play a sport in primary school? If so, what was it?
I did. I played netball in grade 4 and grade 5.
If you played a sport in primary school, what primary school did you go to?
I went to 3 primary schools. I went to one in Melbourne and then 2 in Shepparton.
What is your favourite year level to teach?
Year 5, 6. That's all I've taught.
Do you follow AFL? And if so, what team do you back for?
I don't follow AFL.
What hobbies do you do out of school?
I love to read. I like to go like just walking, like down the beach and stuff, and I pretend I go to the gym.
Tea or tea and coffee?
I love flavoured teas, but I drink coffee every day.
How many cups of coffee do you have?
2 on a regular day, 4 sometimes on a school day.
If you weren't a teacher, what job would you have?
I studied to be a kinder teacher as well as a primary school teacher, so I'd probably be a kinder teacher.
Thank you for joining our Teacher Talk.
Thank you for having me.
On Friday, the 16th of September, the last day of term, CEPS is having a footy day.
You can dress up in your team colours for AFL, rugby or soccer teams.
You could wear a jumper, a jersey, a scarf, footy shorts, a beanie or socks.
Please make sure your footwear is closed-toe and has no spikes.
We can't wait to see you all in your wonderful footy colours.
Hello everyone, it is time for another joke. Let's have a bit of a laugh. What is a snake's favourite subject at school? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work out what the answer is. Alright, tick tock, time is up. What is a snake's favourite subject at school? History. I hope you liked that one, everyone, and have a great week. Bye now.
WPBS. Respect. We follow the ICT users agreements. Digital technologies agreements for students. When I use digital technologies, I can communicate politely and respectfully. I can also protect personal information by being aware that my full name, photo, birthday, address, and phone number is personal information and not to be shared online. Look after others I will also look after others and myself. I shall use tool equipment and access to the internet appropriately.